Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok without having 1000 followers. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the TikTok app, then you want to click on the lower right corner where is your profile, then you want to head to the three straight lines on the top right corner over here. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. Then I want you to scroll down and I want you to click on support and about, and you want to select report a problem. Listen guys, don't lose your time over here under topics, popular questions and answers, okay? This will not help you at all. You're just gonna lose your time. All you wanna do is you wanna scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and then you wanna click submit report. This is where the magic happens. Here, you wanna make sure that you reach out to TikTok and you tell them something very interesting. First thing, you want to be extremely polite. Hi there, I was wondering, right? You're going to be wondering why my life function, doesn't work, does not work. You want to let them know that you are a good influential creator and that you are already established yourself on different platforms. The issue is that you don't grow so fast on TikTok simply because you do not have the live option. You're going to tell them that, hey, I am a big, streamer on other platforms, but here I can't live stream. Also, you want to let them know that you have a good audience, you have a large audience that is ready to move from other platforms on TikTok, and you want to make sure that you let them know that you want to build this large audience here on TikTok. You want to focus on TikTok. Okay, so my audience, right, is ready to watch me here on TikTok, right, instead of the other platforms, right? You understand what we just did? You're giving an edge to the platform. You prefer this platform over other platforms, and guess what? Doesn't cost them nothing to just give you this option and toggle this on, so you will be able to live stream. If they're convinced that you're really going to use it and bring much more viewers on the platform that will interact, that probably will shop, you're probably gonna collect a lot of tips. We all know they split the tips with the creators, so they're gonna get paid, you're gonna get paid, everyone wins. So this is how you're gonna go about it, guys. You're going to come, you're going to submit your report, and you're going to tell them exactly why this feature is not available for you and why you should have it. Doesn't matter that you don't have 1000 followers. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.